Be testing fidget spinners. Dude, give me a paw. Give me a paw, good boy. What's this? First, my blue fidget spinner. Oh, why are you sitting pretty? Ah. He's getting a high five. High five. I got my new fidget spinner there. I'm just gonna open it in my box. Here I'm opening the fidget spinner. If you open it, it's just a regular fidget spinner. Just buy it on the outside, but it's original. Hey, come on. Okay, dude, fidget spinners. I'm gonna make it faster. Go. Oh, jeez, don't eat it. Oh, your teeth. Is your teeth okay? Go on, let me see your teeth. Never mind. Wow, you're sitting pretty. Oh, stop it. Oh. And last, here we go, the original. Oh my god. Reach it, reach it, reach it. Reach it. Reach it. We do. Do it to reach it. Never mind. Dude, I have something for you. What's this? Now he's pretty interested with the ball. Oh, it's a volleyball. It's bouncing. You're just... Sit. Ah, you just never minded the ball. Come on. Get it. Oh no, it's going outside. It's there. Where are you, Bolly? No, there's Bolly. He's going to the water. Oh my god, damn. Bolly, don't go too far, but little ball. Where's Bolly? Oh, I got you, Bolly. I saw you, Bolly. I do miss you. Yo, Mom. I see my Bolly. I see my Bolly. Dude, well, I need to climb up because I don't want to open the gate. He will be careful. Wait. There. Hey, get the Bolly. Get the Bolly. Don't eat that Bolly. You're going to eat the Bolly. Get the Bolly. Oh my god. No, don't eat the Bolly, please. You can suck it, dude. I will get to show you tricks of fidget spinner. Wait, stop it. So there, guys. Here's a trick. Sorry, guys, for the camera. You stupid dog. So, no, you cannot see my fidget. Wait. No, guys, make spin. Oh, not yet. Make spin this two little buddies. I just made it yesterday. It's so wow. Ta-da! Whoa, dude! Wow! Oh, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Go, come here. Sit. Bye. Go. Bye. Bye.